Hebrews chapter 13 verse 6, we can say, the Lord is my helper and I will not fear what man can do to me. Ang Diyos po'y sumasayo. Therefore, huwag po nating katakutan ang magagawa ng tao laban sa iyo. Wala tayong katatakutan na plano ng tao laban sa iyo, kapatid. Sabi ko nga, maybe people can convince many to hate you dahil sa sasalita nila ng anumang laban sa iyo dahil ayaw nila sa iyo. Sila naman po ay magsasabi sa iba, then they will convince to hate you the same as they hate you, that person hates you. But they can never convince God to stop His blessing upon you. They cannot convince God to stop loving you. Tuloy-tuloy po ang